Hi and welcome back. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to remove front blower motor on 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan. This is gonna be the same location and procedure on Dodge Grand Caravans from 2008 all the way up to 2020. Your front blower motor is located just under the glove box, under this cloth cover. To remove this cloth cover, first we'll have to undo this 7mm screw. There is one right here and one on the other side right here. So for that I'm gonna be using 7mm socket. You can use the ratchet and 7mm socket. So that's the bolt you have to remove, the screw. You can also use a Phillips cross screwdriver. So one is on this side and one is more over here. Now I remove those two screws. Next step is to remove front trim screws on that cover. So one is right here and another one is right there. Just want to use some kind of a pry bar to pry them out. Now you just need to pry out those two plastic now you just need to pry these two plastic trim screws, and they actually stay with the cloth cover. You just need to pry them out and remove that cover. And now we have access to our front blower motor. So we have one connector here that we want to unplug, just pressing on this tab and then press this tab and pull it down. Now when you have that plug out, you will have to remove 3 of those torque screws. One is right here, one right there, and one in the back. So for that I'm gonna be using Torx bit number 20. They're not super tight, so I can just use my hand strength to undo them. Now I have loosened up all 3 of those screws. So once I remove them, I will be able to pull the blower motor out. Now I have a new blower motor. I will first plug this plug in, then I'm gonna align it up there, put those screws back, and that should be it. So I'm installing those screws back on. New blower motor is inside, secure with those screws, and now you can start your vehicle, see if it's good. So I installed the new blower motor in. I'm just gonna turn it on now and see if it's quiet, because my old one was very loud. Oh yeah, works as it should. And that's it. Thanks for watching.